part of a project where no one was quite sure who was responsible for what? Maybe tasks were duplicated, deadlines were missed, or key decisions stalled? If you're looking to clarify roles and responsibilities in your team-based or collaborative projects, a RACI matrix can be a game changer. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Dr. Katie Linder, a certified project manager, change manager, and coach who works full-time leading and supporting teams in higher education. On this channel, I offer real-world examples of how project management translates into the higher ed environment. If you're looking for ways to use project management tools and skills, both professionally and personally, to bring more ease to your work and life, you're in the right place. Let's start with a description of a RACI matrix, which is a powerful tool used in project management to define roles and responsibilities more clearly. RACI is an acronym that stands for responsible. This is the person or people who do the work to complete a task. Accountable. This is the person who makes final decisions and ensures that the task is completed. Consulted. This includes individuals who provide input and feedback before a task is finalized. And informed. This includes those who need to be kept in the loop on progress, but don't directly contribute to the task completion. By using a RACI matrix, you can avoid confusion, eliminate redundant work, and ensure that everyone knows their role in a project. Higher education institutions are complex, with multiple stakeholders involved in projects, from faculty and administrators to staff and students. Without clear role definitions, projects can become inefficient and frustrating. A RACI matrix helps by preventing misunderstandings about responsibilities, reducing bottlenecks in decision-making, improving communication across departments, and ensuring accountability for project deliverables. Whether you're implementing a new policy, launching a program, or upgrading technology, a RACI matrix can streamline collaboration and keep things running smoothly. Here are some tips if you're getting started with creating a RACI matrix. First, list your tasks. Start by breaking down your project into key tasks or deliverables. Next, identify the roles by listing the key individuals or groups that are involved in the project. Once you have the roles, you're going to assign RACI values. For each task, determine who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. Since you have multiple people involved, it's helpful to review your RACI draft with others to ensure clarity, resolve overlaps, and confirm the roles with the stakeholders themselves. Lastly, you'll want to regularly update the matrix as the project evolves and new tasks emerge. Now that we've walked through the basic steps of creating a RACI matrix, let's look at a concrete example. Suppose your institution is launching a new faculty mentorship program. Without a clear RACI matrix, responsibilities might be unclear, leading to delays or confusion. But with a RACI matrix, you can get a lot more clarity. Let's start by identifying some tasks. For example, you might need to develop the mentorship curriculum and match mentors with mentees. For the different roles involved, you might have a program coordinator, an instructional designer, the dean of faculty, a faculty advisory board, and the faculty members themselves who serve as mentors and mentees. For a program like this, you might also include a representative from human resources and department chairs or other department liaisons who will help communicate with their faculty about the program. Next, let's assign the RACI roles to the tasks. Remember that the roles are defined as follows. Responsible, this is the person or people who do the work to complete the task. Accountable, this is the person who makes final decisions and ensures the task is completed. Consulted, this includes individuals who provide input and feedback before a task is finalized. And informed, this includes those who need to be kept in the loop on progress but don't directly contribute to a task completion. For the task of developing the mentorship curriculum, you might assign the following RACI roles. Responsible, program coordinator, instructional designer. Accountable, dean of faculty. Consulted, faculty advisory board. And informed, department chairs and faculty members. For the task of matching mentors with mentees, you might assign the following RACI roles. Responsible, program coordinator. Accountable, dean of faculty. Consulted, faculty advisory board, HR representative. And informed, faculty mentors, faculty mentees, and department chairs. By defining these roles up front and making sure each task has clear accountability for who will complete it, the project can run more smoothly and you can reduce miscommunications and delays. With RACIs, there are also some common pitfalls to avoid. The first is overloading one role. Don't assign too many responsibilities to a single person or group. You'll want to spread the workload appropriately. The second pitfall is a lack of consensus. You'll want to ensure that all stakeholders agree on their roles to prevent conflict down the road. And the last pitfall is ignoring updates. A RACI matrix is a living document, so you'll want to build in time to review and adjust it as needed to reflect project changes. A RACI matrix is a simple yet powerful way to bring clarity and structure to any team-based or collaborative project in higher education. By defining responsibilities, you can improve communication and create a stronger structure for accountability, which often reduces project friction. Have you ever used a RACI matrix in your work? I'd love to hear about your experiences. Drop a comment below and tell me how it worked for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more actionable project management tools and approaches that you can try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.